Jace,
we're gonna make pizzas.
Jace, that's something.
Hold on, don't touch.
Benny, stop. Now put that down.
Hold on.
Benny,
Okay, Carter.
I think that's it. Okay, because this looks really jealous. Yeah. Don't mess with that. Ew, that was weird. Look at hair.
Hold on, I almost got it all.
Yeah. Yeah. Stop. I like that. That's all I'm going to put down. I'm going to put everything on you. I'm going to put lots and lots.
Hey, Benny. Okay. Here, you know what? Let's just move everything down away from Ben. Hold on, I'll help you. Here, Ben.
Yeah.
Pretending to eat.
Thank you. Hey, you get to this.
Okay. We're gonna make naan bread pizzas.
Naan bread and what?
Look, you're gonna have a whole pizza like that big.
Oh my god, that'd be
Want one?
What if we
Don't eat it.
What
Okay?
about if we don't eat it all though?
Well, you can save it.
I think I'll eat it all though.
Okay.
Is it gonna like?
So everybody has a naan bread, right?
Yeah. It smells delicious too. I know.
Okay, so we're gonna do sauce first.
I know. Is this a sauce? Ben, put the fork down. Stop.
Like a little.
Yeah.
Okay, how much sauce do you want?
Mom,
Okay,
Benny
here,
has
spread it around.
thing.
Okay, I understand. It's not. You need to not worry about it. It's a fork. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Be a little quicker because your brothers are doing your turn. Make sure you get it all like that. You want more sauce?
Yeah.
Spread it all to the edges. Okay, is that good? No, because from okay, let's spread it around. I don't want your hands in the back, that's why. Yeah. Okay, you want more? You'll have a turn too, buddy.
Mom, you got it kind of salted.
Okay, is that good?
Yep.
Okay, let's do more.
Daddy. Why did you not circle?
Okay. Put it around.
Wow, it feels so weird.
Yeah. You want some on yours?
Yeah. Wait for your
Yeah.
My man also. My man. Wait, this is cool making our own food. I actually ate some of that.
You want more sauce?
Yeah. No looking at. No looking at sauce.
Yes, don't lick it.
I'm just making sure he knows. Yeah.
Okay, hold on. We'll do it. Here we go. Really, Noah?
Sorry.
Out of everybody doing one of those notes.
I didn't make it good.
Good job, Benny.
Mom, some is on my plate.
Good job.
Mom, then my milk. Okay.
Okay, spread it around.
Good job.
Jason, can you help me, please?
This you're doing good for a 2-year-old.
Keep
Yeah,
going.
that's one good for a
Get all the
2-year-old.
edges. Yes, he's doing actually very good.
Yeah. He's doing exactly
Good job.
Right here. Make this. Look like this.
some cheese on your thing, and then put your hand over it so I can go ahead and spread your cheese out. Put your hand over your plate, please. Now spread your cheese out.
I just dumped the whole thing.
Okay, spread it around though. Now I put your...
I'm Mario. I'm making a pizza.
Okay, you ready?
This is cold. Yeah.
Okay, here, let me help you just a little,
Now
okay?
do this. See? I know how to
Wow, you did a wonderful job, Bubba.
spreading.
Okay, go on, do your cheese. Put your hand over.
Eat.
There we go. Put your cheese on.
What do you do
Do you
this?
need more cheese, Jakes?
Sure. Wait, and perhaps I'm gonna
Make sure
put
you
them
get the edges.
everywhere, like on the.
Oh, okay.
Am I?
You need more cheese?
Okay, I did mine. I'm patting mine down.
Let me just... Okay, spread it around.
Right. Look.
Do you need more cheese? That's as cheesy as you want it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, cheese.
Okay, pepperoni. Everybody wants pepperoni? No, 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 no.
I only need one hand. I can if we still have cheese. You can make a pizza? Yeah.
Okay, Finley, good job, buddy. Pepperonis? Do you need more pepperoni, Jakes?
Sure.
Oh,
this one's like,
your manners.
Mom, this one's like a skin one. Can I eat it? Because it's like skin. There's a lot of
Put
different.
pepperoni on it.
Can I eat this one?
One more.
I only have skin one, yes.
Spread it out.
Mom, I can
No. Oh, okay. That's okay. Let Mama help you.
Oh, Mario, my pizza. Mom, look at mine. And yes, I will be wanting some. Mario. I think you might be wanting Mario too. I can't believe we're making a pizza. Look at what I did, Mom. I made it like 5.
Do you need more?
Me?
Oh, no.
This is the pizza. That's why you don't need that much pepperoni because it's like mini.
You
You
want
don't
olives?
need that much.
Put your hands over your plate.
Pizza.
You want olives?
Cool. Wow. My pizza looks just like a real pizza.
Just like a real
This
one?
is cold. This is cold.
You want to do yours?
Yeah.
Good. Put your hand.
Oh,
It's okay.
Olives.
You like your olives. There you go. Want more olives?
Well, I would have ordered this and things. Oh, just I'm gonna wait for this. Okay, look at mine. If mine looks good.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, does anybody want a nut to try this cheese on top with it's got yellow and white cheese?
yeah, okay.
Or just white?
I want some of that. I want some of that. Yeah, I'll eat all of that. You want some of that?
Put your hand over your plate.
But don't
Just a
eat
little
this.
bit to top it, okay? Sorry, that was my fault.
About what?
He got a little on his lap. Okay, you ready? You itchy? Want Mama help you?
It's okay. For my lap.
Good. Spread it all around.
Some on my shirt too. I ate a little bit. Look at this. I got the pepperoni pizza.
Okay.
I'm eating a lot of my cheese.
So-
This is like out. Anything else?
I'm going to put yours right here. Need the cheese up in the plate.
How do you know which ones are?
Well, because they look different. This is Jace's.
Plus, these are in
And then yours and Ben's will go on that one.
Plus, because they're in a different spot.
Yep, so
I can
now,
tell that my 2 pepperoni and one right there. Which is a pretty good thing that I do. I
Okay.
can tell he's like a pepperoni right there.
now I'm going to put them in the oven at 410
Is that like an
for
hour?
410 degrees.
Oh,
Hot,
that's
hot, huh?
Yeah.
For about
2 minutes?
10 minutes and then I'll check them. Okay, go ahead. You want to try it?
Yeah.
Your very own nan bread pizza that you made.
Oh, it was cheese. Yeah.
Is it good? Is it good, Vinny?
Hi.
Hot?
Ah,
Mmm. That looks good, huh?
Yeah.
Hot? You like it?
I just want the oven so.
It did just come out of the oven. Mmm. Is it? Take a bite. I want to.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Grab it.
Mmm.
You're lucky it didn't fall on the ground.
It's good.
This pizza looks so pretty. He worked so hard.
It's
Huh,
good.
you wanted it to
Yeah,
be beautiful.
I put it a pizza thing right there. You got my
Yeah.
dinosaur to make.
You worked so hard too, huh?
I did.
All of you did.
God, you have a big clump of cheese.
It's okay.
It looks funny though. Yeah. All my pieces together.
You like your pizza? You like it?
I do.
Was your pizza bigger?